On 31st of October, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler posted a congratulatory message as Bitcoin completed 15 years evoking Satoshi Nakamoto's famous white paper. In the same breath, he cautioned crypto firms which were seemingly tricking investors to comply with securities laws. If Satoshi Nakamoto went to Satoshi Nakamoto for Halloween, would we be able to tell? Happy 15th anniversary to Satoshi's famous white paper that started crypto. Any crypto companies that are tricking investors should start treating them to compliance with the securities laws. It's Gary Gensler, October 31st, 2023. Gensler's post was indicative of his long-held position as per which crypto assets can only operate in the U.S. If they are classified as securities and are subject to the SEC's regulation. Only last week, Gensler had mentioned Satoshi's iconic paper in his speech slamming the crypto industry as being rife with fraud, scams, bankruptcies, and money laundering. Gensler's latest tweet drew sharp reactions from different corners. Ripple's chief counsel, Stuart Alderati, was quick to retort. He said that while Gensler was posting bad Halloween jokes, his agency is being condemned for not being accountable to the U.S. Congress. While Mr. Gensler is making bad Halloween jokes on X, his agency is being shamed for ignoring a law that requires agency rules to be reviewed by Congress. Sees the SEC has become the lawless. While Wes Gensler loves to talk about so much. Stuart Alderati, October 31st, 2023, Alderati retweeted a recent post by the U.S. Government Accountability Office that criticized the SEC's decision to not submit a crypto-related bulletin report to Congress. The SEC, its positive history that taking states did conjoin its supply and in-party insurance system. The problem studied in that 7 years. During Gensler's stint, the SEC has taken action against multiple crypto firms such as Binance, Coinbase for allegedly violating securities laws in the U.S. Gary Gensler's critics in the industry refer to his policy towards crypto as regulation by enforcement. In the last few months, the agency has partially lost court cases against Ripple and Grayscale. Gensler's tweet also led to speculations that the SEC was looking at the applications of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds positively, Evolve ETFs. CIO and COO Elliot Johnson speculated if the SEC chair's tweet was another sign of forthcoming approvals for Bitcoin ETFs. I wonder if this is another sign of impending ETF approval at GSIV, at Eric Lachuna's, at Baywatch One, at Phosphate Foss. Elliot Johnson at Elliot Evolve ETF, October the 2nd, 2123. John, on the other hand, Eric Balchunas, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, responded that he didn't read much in the tweet. However, it was interesting that crypto is influencing the mind of the securities regulators chairman. He added control on the drown server. No read on this from us, just a little regulatory humor, although interesting, that this is what is on his mind. Eric Balchunas, October 31st, 2023. Gensler told Bloomberg last month that his agency was reviewing multiple Bitcoin ETF applications. Satoshi's white paper was published 15 years ago on 31st of October 2008. It outlined the basic structure of the Bitcoin network, a financial network without any centralized financial institutions or third parties. And since then, the crypto market has come a long way. Its market cap stood at 1.24 trillion net trust time. Moreover, Bitcoin, the Kin coin, was trading at $34,340 at the time.